Welcome back to the next channel of mine. Yesterday I speak about the value of an employee. So today I'll be speaking a bit more about value of an employer or an entrepreneur. As an employee, you have to give more than what you paid for. But what happened to an entrepreneur or an employer? In many cases, an employer or the entrepreneur must able to give more value in terms of trainings to their people. They have to find a way, even though they pay them 2,000 ringgit, they must able to provide more trainings that can develop their soft skills, that can develop their hard skills, and at the same time that training can able to groom them as a good human being. Those values I feel very important, because in many cases what happened was it became a robotic transaction. I pay you 2,000, you give me 2,000, I don't give you any extra value and you don't give me extra value. That is where things are not progressing. That's the time where you see many staff become stagnant. That's the reason why employer or the company start to stuck. So as an employer, one of the value you're going to give or bring to your people is the trainings that you provide to them. It's the value you're going to give to them. Sometimes it is nothing wrong as an employer. You can tap their shoulder and say, how's your family? How are you doing? How's your finance? It's nothing wrong. It's an extra value that you're giving to the people. When it comes to their birthday, it's nothing wrong for you to go and say happy birthday. And once in a while, it's nothing wrong to go to their house and visit their family and get to know them. It's nothing wrong. It's nothing wrong to go out with your employee once in a while to have a coffee, have a normal conversation, which is not in your job description, which is not your job as an employer to the employee. But by you doing all this to your employee will feel appreciated. Your employee will start to feel recognized, and that's the time you can see more value come back to you. So if you expect more value come from your people to you, you must able to do something more than what you're paying them. And if that happens, you'll see yourself, your company, your people become happier. The moment your people become happier, your company value will somehow go up. So the same goes to an entrepreneur. Your job is always about finding a way how to add value to your customers. For example, if a customer is coming to your place to buy something, give them something in return that they don't expect. Maybe a thank you card, or maybe a good smile, or maybe a service after the purchase you're giving for free. All these things are all called values. In the normal world, guys, people nowadays undervalue things. They always want to give less than what they get for. My point of view for employers and entrepreneurs, you have to start giving more in terms of training, development, personal touch, and whatever necessary that can make your people feel comfortable, upgraded, and at the same time feel appreciated that you are the best leader that they have. The keyword of adding value as an employer or entrepreneur is stop thinking you're a boss and start thinking you're a leader. So let's become a wonderful leader and do something on this MCO to transform yourself from a normal employer, from a normal entrepreneur, to become a great leader to add value to your people and the society. Let's make it happen, guys. Have a good time with your family. Stay safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.